before it becomes a masterpiece of laundry technology. It starts here.
A vision of precision, engineered by those who understand the soul of the machine.
It begins with the raw power of cold steel.
Every inch is scrutinized. Every texture must be perfect.
Pure polymers, waiting to be molded into form.
In this sanctuary of industry, order emerges from the vastness.
The heart begins to beat. The direct drive motor, a marvel of copper and magnetism.
Without the touch of the master, these are but fragments of a dream.
The blueprint is etched in every action, every decision.
The transformation begins now.
Under immense pressure, the silhouette of strength takes form. Guided by the steady hand of experience. Light becomes a blade, carving perfection with microscopic intent.
The skeleton of the machine, moving toward its soul.
Texture designed for care, etched into the very fabric of the steel.
Fusing metal and mind, a bond that never breaks.
Tempering the heat of creation.
A coat of elegance, applied with robotic consistency. Every touch point, every dial, born from liquid precision.
The brain is ready. The transformation is complete.
The drum, the cradle of care, enters the heart of the machine.
Tightened to perfection, there is no room for error. A seal that defies time and water.
Suspending the power, absorbing the energy.
The heart is placed. Direct power, silent and strong. A symphony of coordination across the line. The pathways of life-giving water are cleared.
Balance is not an option. It is a requirement.
Friction is the enemy. Precision is the cure.
The machine is no longer just metal. It is alive.
The nervous system is installed. Intelligence woven into silicon. Every connection, a promise of reliability.
Sensing the rhythm. Stability in every spin.
The face of the machine takes shape. Elegant. Intuitive.
A window into a world of cleanliness.
Strength behind the glass. Sealed for performance. The shell is complete. The masterpiece is enclosed.
The mark of quality.
a legacy of innovation. Waking the mind. The AI begins to learn.
Born in the workshop. Ready for the challenge.
The seal integrity is compromised. Initiate shutdown. Negative result.
Stability redefined. Silence engineered into the core. Monitoring the heat, ensuring enduring performance.
Tested 10,000 times. Built for a lifetime of use.
A symphony of silence, validated in the lab.
Unwavering strength. Resilience in every panel.
Shielded and ready for the journey ahead.
The ultimate seal of approval.
A global scale, powered by precision logistics.
From the workshop to the world, the mission continues.
The journey ends where a new standard of care begins. Unveiling the future of the modern home.
Designed to fit perfectly into the rhythm of life.
Precision in every connection. Reliability in every drop.
Connecting the heart of the home to the palm of your hand. Intuitive by nature. Advanced by design. Intelligence that feels. Protection that adapts. Deep cleaning power, delivered with surgical precision.
The power of silence. The beauty of balance.
Mastery achieved. Life made better. Pure, soft. The essence of care in every fiber. Because what matters most is the comfort of those we love. Beyond clean. Eliminating the unseen, protecting the future. A global community, united by the pursuit of a better life.
Efficiency that respects the world we share.
A beacon of innovation in every home. Always learning, always evolving. For you. The perfect end to a perfect cycle.
Crafted by experts. Loved by families.
LG. Life's good.